Drainage system of India. 1. Which of the following rivers is a part of the peninsular river system? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Godavari. D. Ghagra. Answer. C. Godavari. Explanation. The Godavari is the longest river in peninsular India and originates in Maharashtra. 2. The Ganga originates from which of the following glaciers? A. Siachen. B. Gangotri. C. Yamunotri. D. Zemu. Answer. B. Gangotri. Explanation. The Ganga originates as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri Glacier in Uttarakhand. 3. Which river is called Dakshina Ganga? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Kaveri. D. Mahanadi. Answer. B. Godavari. Explanation. The Godavari is often referred to as the Dakshina Ganga or Ganga of the South. Join our Telegram channel for exclusive content. 4. Which one of the following rivers does not originate in India? A. Beas. B. Ravi. C. Sutlej. D. Chenab. Answer. C. Sutlej. Explanation. The Sutlej originates in Tibet, Lake Rakshastal, outside India. 5. The river which forms the Dhwandhar waterfalls is A. Narmada. B. Tapi. C. Chambal. D. Son. Answer. A. Narmada. Explanation. Dhwandhar waterfalls are located near Jabalpur on the Narmada River. 6. The confluence of Alaknanda and Bhagirathi takes place at A. Rudraprayag. B. Karnaprayag. C. Devprayag. D. Vishnuprayag. Answer. C. Devprayag. Explanation. At Devprayag, Bhagirathi and Alaknanda rivers join to form the Ganga. 7. The Brahmaputra is known as _ in Tibet. A. Sangpo. B. Lohit. C. Dihang. D. Jamuna. Answer. A. Sangpo. Explanation. In Tibet, the Brahmaputra is called the Sangpo River. 8. Which river flows through a rift valley? A. Godavari. B. Narmada. C. Krishna. D. Gandak. Answer. B. Narmada. Explanation. Narmada flows through a rift valley between the Vindhya and Satpura ranges. 9. Which river is known for forming the largest riverine island in the world? Majuli. A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Mahanadi. Answer. C. Brahmaputra. Explanation. Majuli is located on the Brahmaputra river in Assam. 10. The Mahanadi river drains into which body of water? A. Arabian Sea. B. Bay of Bengal. C. Indian Ocean. D. Chilika Lake. Answer. B. Bay of Bengal. Explanation. Mahanadi flows through Orissa and drains into the Bay of Bengal. 11. River Kaveri originates from A. Mahabaleshwar. B. Talakaveri. C. Amarkantak. D. Nasik. Answer. B. Talakaveri. Explanation. Kaveri river originates from Talakaveri in Karnataka. 12. Which river is known as Sorrow of Bihar? A. Kosi. B. Gandak. C. Ghagra. D. Son. Answer. A. Kosi. Explanation. The Kosi river is known for devastating floods, hence the nickname. 13. Which river does not flow into the Bay of Bengal? A. Krishna. B. Narmada. C. Mahanadi. D. Godavari. Answer. B. Narmada. Explanation. Narmada flows westward into the Arabian Sea. 14. Which of the following is not a tributary of the Ganga? A. Gomti. B. Betwa. C. Gandak. D. Ghagra. Answer. B. Betwa. Explanation. Betwa is a tributary of Yamuna, not Ganga directly. 15. Which river makes the border between India and Pakistan in Punjab region? A. Ravi. B. Beas. C. Sutlej. D. Indus. Answer. C. Sutlej. Explanation. Sutlej forms a boundary in parts of the India-Pakistan-Punjab region. 16. Which of the following is a west-flowing river? A. Yamuna. B. Ganga. C. Narmada. D. Mahanadi. Answer. C. Narmada. Explanation. Narmada is one of the few major rivers in India that flows westward into the Arabian Sea. 17. Which river flows between The, Aravalli and Vindhya ranges? A. Tapi. B. Chambal. C. Betwa. D. Ken. Answer. B. Chambal. Explanation. Chambal flows between the Aravalli and Vindhya ranges and is a tributary of The, Yamuna. 18. What is the other name of the river Ganga in Bangladesh? A. Teesta. B. Jamuna. C. Padma. D. Meghna. Answer. C. Padma. Explanation. In Bangladesh, The, Ganga is called the Padma. 19. Which river originates from Amarkantak Plateau? A. Narmada. B. Godavari. C. Krishna. D. Mahanadi. Answer. A. Narmada. Explanation. The Narmada originates from the Amarkantak Plateau in Madhya Pradesh. 20. Which river is not part of The, Indus River system? A. Ravi. B. Bees. C. Jhelum. D. Chambal. Answer. D. Chambal. Explanation. Chambal is part of the Yamuna-Ganga river system, not Indus. 21. Which river has the largest basin in India? A. Godavari. B. Ganga. C. Yamuna. D. Krishna. Answer. B. Ganga. Explanation. The Ganga river basin is the largest in India, covering approximately 26% of the land area. 22. Which river flows through The, Valley of Flowers? A. Alaknanda. B. Mandakini. C. Pushpavati. D. Bhagirathi. Answer. C. Pushpavati. Explanation. The Pushpavati river flows through the famous Valley of Flowers in Uttarakhand. 23. River Krishna originates from which place? A. Nasik. B. Amarkantak. C. Mahabaleshwar. D. Talakaveri. Answer. C. Mahabaleshwar. Explanation. The Krishna river originates from Mahabaleshwar in Maharashtra. 24. Which of the following rivers forms an estuary? A. Krishna. B. Ganga. C. Narmada. D. Mahanadi. Answer. C. Narmada. Explanation. Narmada forms an estuary as it flows into the Arabian Sea. 25. The Damodar River is a tributary of A. Ganga. B. Brahmaputra. C. Mahanadi. D. Yamuna. Answer. A. Ganga. Explanation. The Damodar is a tributary of the Ganga and is known as the Sorrow of Bengal. 26. Teesta River is a tributary of which river? A. Ganga. B. Yamuna. C. Brahmaputra. D. Gandak. Answer. C. Brahmaputra. Explanation. The Teesta is an important tributary of The, Brahmaputra, joining it in Bangladesh. 27. Which river is known to have the highest number of waterfalls in India? A. Godavari. B. Narmada. C. Chambal. D. Shravati. Answer. D. Shravati. Explanation. The Shravati River is known for the Jog Falls, one of India's highest and most famous waterfalls. 28. Which river forms the boundary between Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Pennar. D. Pala. Answer. D. Pala. Explanation. The Pala River flows along parts of the boundary between Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh. 29. Bhima is a tributary of which river? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Mahanadi. D. Narmada. Answer. B. Krishna. Explanation. The Bhima River joins the Krishna River in Karnataka. 30. The longest river in southern India is A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Kaveri. D. Mahanadi. Answer. B. Godavari. Explanation. Godavari is the longest river in southern India with a length of about 1,465 kilometers.